Hello, my name is Robert Omer, and today I'm going to be going over the Megaman 1-Up item. Essentially, to summarize what this item does, it's a pickup item that should spawn when the player kills an enemy. And what it will do is it will have a percent chance of drop, a very low percent chance, so that'll make it into like a rare status. I'm thinking to start off, it'll probably have a 10% chance of drop. So out of 100 drops, there should probably only be about 10 of them spawning. And then once the item is spawned, what it will do is if the enemy was killed in the air, it should make its way to the ground at the speed of gravity, which should be about the same speed that the player rigid body is going to move it down. Once it is spawned, the player has within 10 seconds to pick up this item, or else it will destroy itself and it will be lost forever. If the player does make contact with the item within the 10 seconds, the order of events that should happen is it should play a sound, add one life to the player life variable, and then delete itself, hence kind of giving it the effect of being picked up. How we accomplish this today is via this script here. So this is a essentially one-up item script that's going to be attached to the game object. What we have going on here is we have a temporary variable within the script to manage the Megaman lives, so this will be what we'll be adding to. We have a destroy time, which this is the 10-second destroy time. So that will start once it's spawned in, and then once the player makes contact, we added this delay here. What this does is this gives the item a chance to play the sound before it deletes itself. With the delete function is it is destroying itself before it has a chance to play the sound. So this 0.15 second float is going to give it enough time to make that sound play and then delete itself, all really pretty smoothly happening there. How we did that is a collision here. So at start, it's finding the player controller to gain access to the player lives. So that's just a variable within the player controller. Mega Man starts off with 2 at the beginning of the game, and then we'll add or subtract if he's killed. Let's see here, and then so again we have the collision. So this is what it's looking for. If a player collides with it, then kind of like what we were saying is it should play this sound audio here, play the sound audio, add one life, and then destroy itself. So we'll see this here in action. So when we play, as we can see, the item falls down to the ground, and the player can jump on it, plays the sound, and deletes itself. So that's it. We haven't added in the drop effect yet for the enemies, but this is going to be the base framework of this item.